Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change home screen layout in your Android phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen and then go to settings option. From here, go to home screen layout. And here it is. Now from here you can change your home screen layout. You can see two options here, home and app screen and home screen only. If you select home screen only, then your all apps will be shown on the home screen. You can also add widgets and organize your apps and then tap on apply and it's done. Now you can see your home screen layout has been changed successfully and there is no app screen. Now if you want to go back home and app screen again, just go to same settings again and then choose home and app screen, then tap on apply and it's done. You can see your home screen layout has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change home screen layout in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.